about to start YouTube automation business for beginners who want to start, I'm gonna share with you an example of faceless YouTube channel and how you can make videos with $0. You can start your own faceless YouTube channel with $0, and that's what I did for this faceless YouTube channel. As you can see over here, and in the last 90 days this channel made $4,810 uploading just faceless YouTube videos. And as you can see, it's make sometime up to $266 just in one day. Okay, the more you upload, the more you make money. Okay, so if you want to start your own faceless YouTube channel without investing any money, this video is for you, and let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to choose specific topics that people will be interested to watch. Okay, so I did some research and I found an example of great and successful faceless YouTube channel. Okay, and this is the channel that I found. Okay, this channel, Big Maskers, is faceless YouTube channel and uploading videos. They don't show their face or using their voice on those videos, as you can see. Okay, those videos are easy and simple to make, and as you can see, those videos got this one 5 million views, this one almost 5 million views, this one 4 million views, and it's easy and simple. Okay, so as you can see, and this channel of course is making a lot of money every single month. Okay, so let's take for example this. So as you can see this video, for example, what happened to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day. This video is still getting views. Okay, those are green topics. Those videos can get views for years. Okay, so as you can see, this one over here, almost 5 million views. What happens to your body when you run 13 minutes every day? Okay, let's take for example this topic. So if you want to make a video about for example like this topic over here, what you need to do is you just need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, we will use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and I'm using just the free version. As you can see, click over here and I ask ChatGPT make an engaging YouTube script about what will happens if you run 13 minutes every day. Okay, and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your YouTube script. So what you need to do next is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's easy and simple. Okay, as you can see, your script is ready. This is your title: transform your life, what happens when you run 30 minutes every day, introduction, segment 1, as you can see. Okay, so let's copy this script. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you guys. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. So you can use your own voiceover if you want. If you don't want to use your own voiceover, go to Google, search for PlayHT, click on the first link over here. This AI voice generator website will turn your YouTube script into voiceover for free. Okay, you can use it for free. Just sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, click over here on voice change, choose which voiceover you want to use for your YouTube videos. Okay, they have different voiceovers: American voiceovers, British voiceovers, Australian voiceovers, and so on. So let's check this one for example.
No-nonsense investigator Tyler Elliott, a far cry from the roles for which he is best known.
As you can see, let's check this one.
I remember Yeah, it's crazy when you look at a 10-year-old, it just looks like they're doing nothing, kind of like they're dumb and their neck's getting longer.
And as you can see, those voiceovers are really in good quality, okay? So choose which one you like. For me, I like to use this one. What you will do, you need to put your YouTube script here. This is my YouTube script. Click over here on generate speech, okay? Like this. And you just need to wait few seconds and your voiceover will be ready, okay? What you will do next is you need to turn this voiceover into an engaging and professional video, and I will show you step by step how you can do it. You don't need to invest any money. You can start faceless YouTube channel with $0. Yes, you just need to invest your time and that's it. And you need just to start. You just need to take action. Okay. So let's wait for this voiceover to be recorded. Okay. It might take a while. So let's wait. Okay. After you record your voiceover, you just need to click on this icon over here, okay? And your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop, okay? And I will show you how you can do it. It's easy and simple, okay? And your voiceover will be ready, okay? So let's check this voiceover now.
All right, let's talk about what happens right after you lace up those shoes and hit the pavement. Within the first 30 minutes of your run, your body starts to release those feel-good and
Here you go. What you need to do is you just need to click on this icon over here, okay? And your voiceover will be download to your laptop. So what you need to do next is you need to go to Canva, okay? Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So you just need to scroll down and click over here on video, okay? You will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload, click on upload file and upload your voiceover, okay? So let's see.
all right, let's talk about what happens right after.
Okay, this is my voiceover. Click on open. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. Your voiceover will be under this page. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, so this voiceover is short. Let's add more. Let's go to ChatGPT and let's copy segment 2, okay? I'm gonna copy this part like this. I will go to this website again like this and I will record this second part. So you just need to click on generate again and you need to wait just few seconds and your voiceover will be ready, okay? Click again on this icon over here and your voiceover will be uploaded to your laptop. You go back to Canva, okay? Click on upload. Let me see.
Now, let's get into the physical benefits.
Okay, this is my voiceover. I will click on open and your voiceover will be over here. So what you will do next, click on the end of this on your first voiceover and click on this second voiceover, so they will be matched like this. Okay, then go and click on add page. Okay, like this. Then what you will do after you finish, swipe left, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging and professional, and make it to 0.3. If we choose this one, click on apply between all page, and here you go. Your transition will be applied between all your page. Click on the first page, click on elements, click on the search, and search for running. For example, you can search for running or run. Click on videos, and here you go. You will find a lot of videos here about running. I will choose this one, so click on the video that you want to use. Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, set the video as background, and okay, if you click over here, keep clicking. You can swipe left or swipe right and make it short or long. Okay, you can control it from here. It's easy. Make it short, click on the next page, add another one. I will add this one, set the video as background. Next page, I will add this one, add different videos. Okay, you don't need to use the same video, add different videos so you can make your video more engaging and professional. Okay, you will use this one, set the video as background. Next page, I will add this one over here. Next page, scroll down. You will find a lot of videos here about showing people running. Okay, like this. We will make this one short. Click on the next page, scroll down. Let's add this one over here. Then click on the next page again, add this one over here. Click on the next page, scroll down. We will add this one here. And here you go. Your video will be ready. Let's check this video now.
Alright, let's talk about what happens right after you lace up those shoes and hit the pavement. Within the first 30 minutes of your run, your body starts to release those feel-good endorphins. That means an instant mood boost. Say goodbye to stress and hello to a happier you. Now, let's get into the physical benefits. Running for just 30 minutes a day can do wonders for your cardiovascular health. It'll improve your heart health, boost your metabolism, and even burn calories. Plus, it's a fantastic way to strengthen your muscles and tone your body.
And here you go. As you can see, I made just this faceless YouTube video without showing my face, without using my voice, showing people what will happen to their bodies if they run just 30 minutes a day. And as you can see, this, let me show you. If you scroll down, okay, let me see. Big screen. This video over here, as you can see, what happened to your body when you run 13 minutes every day. You got almost 5 million views. Okay, it's easy and simple. I made like this video. As you can see, I just made like this video using free AI tools, just using Canva, ChatGPT, and PlayHT voiceover generator. Okay, so after you finish, click over here on share, click on download, and download this video. Start your own faceless YouTube channel if you want. As you can see, this channel over here. Okay, let me see this channel over here. Okay, making a lot of money uploading those easy and simple videos, okay? Easy. You don't need to invest any money. You can start using just this method I show you. I hope this video is helpful for you to start. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments and I will answer all your questions. I will be really happy to help you start your own faceless YouTube channel.